Pickleball is all the rage, but what's not all the rage is having to pick up all your balls after you practice serving. So I have a solution for that. I was tired of leaning over and picking up balls, so I built this pickleball picker-upper for $7. It holds 15 balls, and you only need a gutter extender, drill, and some zip ties. It's like the Hungry Hippo. Now let's go home and I'll show you how to make this. I did this already, but drill holes 1 inch apart on the gutter extender. I found that a 9/64 drill bit works perfectly for these zip ties. I bought this at a hardware store, but I also bought a black one twice the length on Amazon for under $6. One tip on drilling, you're going to want to stay about a 1/2 inch from the side like you see right here. I experimented with this like the one you could see on the right, and I'll explain why you want to leave a bigger gap. You can see when I cinch this down, it's able to stay flush against the plastic. Whereas this guy, he's a little wobbly, he just doesn't have enough to hang on to. Now grab your zip ties and have the flat end towards you. Now just stick it in and give it a zip. Now just maneuver it until it's flush against the plastic. This isn't my typical video, so subscribe if you like home DIY videos and crazy tool videos. Now just repeat this all the way around, and then you're ready to snip them off. I'd leave them a little bit long and test them. You can always cut them off a little more later. As you can see, these are cheap and fast. So get off of here, click on the Amazon links, and go make some for you and your buddies. And go practice your serve so you can develop good speed, topspin, and consistency.